सॉक्स है क्या?
तुझे क्या लगा लास वेगास है ये? डबल जैकपॉट लगने वाला है। मैं खेल रहा था ना अपना।
ठीक है ना यार, हो गया।
तू सुनता क्यों नहीं है कभी? तेरी मेहनत के पैसे हैं, वेस्ट मत कर।
हाथ का मैल होता है पैसा।
सबकी किस्मत में नहीं होता ये। क्या सही हॉट है तेरी वो होस्ट?
तूने मेरा शो देखा है अभी?
क्या 40 एपिसोड किए तुम लोगों ने अब तक? सारे देखे?
अरे नाटक क्यों कर रहा था?
तेरा शो है बनी, कैसे नहीं देखता?
Aw. They're really good, real friends. I'm glad that they still have that, even though they drifted apart.
मेरे पास कुछ पैसे हैं, तू ले ले भाई और अपना बार बचा।
बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट है बनी।
कितना?
25 लाख।
डन।
That's really sweet. They're already fighting?
क्यों करिए पे शादी? देखा मैंने, तू जरा अभी से बात क्या करने लगी? जलन हो गई उसे? तू श्योर है ना इसके बारे में?
बनी
That's a
मैं
legit question.
वहाँ अभी से बात करने नहीं, उसे थप्पड़ लगाने गई थी। 2 दिन में 2 करण अभी चुका के आया है। वो जल नहीं रहा था, मुझे अभी के इंसल्ट करने से रोक रहा था।
तो तू अब अभी से प्यार नहीं करती?
तुझे पता था?
You know?
सबको पता
Of
था,
course you know.
सिवाय उस डफर अभी के।
हाँ
It
यार,
was so obvious.
करते थे। बट यू नो, उस रिलेशनशिप में अभी था ही नहीं, सिर्फ मैं थी, अकेली। बट यू नो, उनके साथ कैसे समझाऊं? यू नो, इट्स लाइक तरन के पहले मैं ठीक ही थी, सब ठीक था, लेकिन उससे मिलकर रियलाइज हुआ कि मैं खुश भी हो सकती हूँ। सिंपल है, कुछ लोगों के साथ सिर्फ वक्त बिताने से सब कुछ सही हो जाता है।
ये शाम मस्तानी मदहोश किया जाए।
हाय।
आप कुछ ढूंढ रहे हैं?
कौन है?
ये विक्रम है, शादी शूट करने आया है।
और नैना से मिलने।
तुम यहाँ क्यों बैठी हो?
So,
आप है
she really did have someone, or
तू जा।
बनी,
एक्सक्यूज मी?
मैंने कहा तू प्लीज जा।
बनी स्टॉप इट।
आप बहुत बदतमीज हैं।
देख, ये ना मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड की शादी है, तेरी यहाँ कोई जरूरत नहीं।
शायद आपने ज्यादा पी लिया, मुझे यहाँ नैना ने बुलाया।
मैं नैना का बॉयफ्रेंड हूँ। चल।
गाइस स्टॉप इट, बनी स्टॉप इट, कम ऑन।
That's
Become-
not right.
मुझे 5 मिनट दो, मैं आती हूँ. Okay. Thank you. तुम मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड
He
नहीं हो.
had no right to behave like
वो है
that.
क्या?
And
तुम्हें
to
हो
say
क्या
such
गया
a
है
lie.
पानी? जाओ जाके उसे सॉरी बोलो.
मुंह ना तोड़ दो साले का. तू प्यार करती है इससे?
Yeah, so that this was the guy.
तू प्यार करती है इससे?
तुमसे क्या मतलब?
मतलब है
It's
मुझे
too
लगा
late.
कि तुम दारू सिर्फ मेरे साथ
You
पीती
had
हो.
your chance.
तुम कहना क्या चाहते हो बनी?
मैं बस ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि तुम इस विक्रम को यहाँ से भेज दो.
क्यों?
कि मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम अपना सारा वक्त मेरे साथ बिताओ.
Yeah.
बनी, मैं यहाँ विक्रम के साथ इसलिए बैठी थी क्योंकि मैं तुम्हारे साथ और वक्त नहीं बिता सकती. वो दोस्त है मेरा.
तो वो तेरा बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं है?
नहीं बनी, नहीं. तुम ये तमाशा बंद करो प्लीज. तुम समझते क्यों नहीं कि अगर मैं तुम्हारे साथ 2 मिनट और रही तो
क्या नैना?
मुझे तुमसे प्यार हो जाएगा फिर से.
You already are.
और तुम्हें नहीं होगा फिर से.
Oh, I hope he's really sure about this and for her sake, that she doesn't deserve anything either. I don't know if he can be trusted.
विक्रम
Something
चला
tells
गया.
I
me-
love you.
I don't know. I don't feel good about this.
सच.
I love you.
आई लव यू टू. ऐसा है कि आई लव यू सिर्फ शुरुआत होती है. फिर क्या होता?
Are you gonna?
बनी, मुझे जाने दो प्लीज.
नहीं.
प्लीज.
No.
बनी, मैं सिंपल लड़की हूँ और सिंपल जिंदगी जीना चाहती हूँ. तुम गलत नहीं हो, बस मुझसे बहुत अलग हो. छोड़ो मुझे प्लीज.
नहीं छोड़ सकता.
Yeah.
तो
Exactly.
फिर मत जाओ पेरिस. मत लो ये जॉब जिसके
Yeah.
जानती हूँ बनी. समझती हूँ मैं तुम्हें.
She knows him.
पता है तुम्हारे सपने क्या है, कि तुम जिंदगी से क्या चाहते हो. इसलिए हमें इसे
And he has a right to that.
एक दूसरे को भूल जाना चाहिए. बाय.
मत जा नैना.
This is unfortunate. And she knows it's not right. has to change for her and he won't be happy and might be even like not to resent the whole situation because he had to like abandon his dreams and he had to choose. She's being really fair and she wouldn't be happy. And that also proves that she really loves him unconditionally and unselfishly. And she respects his dreams and his. Yeah, that's really sad. And it's the right thing to do, as sad as it is. Oh, at least she's happy. I'm glad. I love how they feel for each other and how much they care. Oh,
काश मैं बता पाता उन्हें कि मैं कितना प्यार करता हूं उनसे।
बनी, क्या तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हारे पापा को इस दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा खुशी किसने दी? न मैंने, न तुम्हारी माँ ने, न उनके काम ने, बल्कि सिर्फ तुमने। जानते हो क्यों? क्योंकि तुमने उन्हें गर्व था इस बात का कि तुम में वो कीमत देने की हिम्मत थी। अगर तुम अपने पापा को बताना चाहते हो कि तुम उनसे कितना प्यार करते हो, तो बस वही करो जो आज तक करते आए हो। लिव योर ड्रीम, अपने दिल की सुनो।
थैंक यू।
सब ठीक हो जाएगा।
okay. She's happy to see him,
यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो?
despite what was
न्यू
said.
मनाने में।
पेरिस?
कैंसल।
क्यों?
रिस्क नहीं लेना था बाप। तुझे कोई और पटा लेता तो?
What?
सीरियसली? तुम नहीं जा रहे?
ना बोल दिया उनको। तुझे हाँ जो बोलना था।
Finally, she's more valuable than his dreams. Oh,
अंधेरे से डर लगता है क्या?
she loved him all these years.
चल, इसी बात
Never
पे
even.
केक खा।
had any other relationship.
ये जॉब तुम्हारी लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा सपना था ना?
था, लेकिन हर चीज का एक सही वक्त होता है.
Yeah, that tells her
Raj.
that he does really love her.
इसका है.
I'm glad he realized it and he realized her worth.
ना? शादी करेगी मुझसे?
Oh,
करोगे? ये नकली.
मेरा
yes.
प्यार असली है बेबी. सॉरी यार, टाइम नहीं था. है ना?
Yeah, he just had to have a ring as a symbol. It's okay, I think. Yeah, she's right to not fully trust it.
ट्राई नहीं होती. एक बार कर ली तो दाल चावल for 50 साल till you die.
Yeah,
बोल मंजूर है.
she has her heart on the line.
क्यों रही है?
ऑलरेडी डर गए. ये तुम्हारे बस की बात ही नहीं.
That's what he said.
ठीक है, मैं जा रहा हूँ.
बनी,
शादी करेगी या नहीं?
क्यों करना चाहते हो मुझसे शादी?
क्योंकि फंसा लिया है तूने मुझे. वार्ड लगा दिया तूने मेरी. भी वही सपने देख रहा हूँ लेकिन 2 टिकट पे.
Oh,
दुनिया का कोना कोना देखना चाहता हूँ लेकिन तेरा हाथ पकड़ कर.
that is romantic. True.
तेरे साथ कुछ वक्त बिताना चाहता हूँ.
Yeah,
मैं तेरे साथ खुश हूं नैना.
good for you.
अपने माइंड में ऑलरेडी शादी कर चुका हूँ तुझसे. तू भी कर ले मुझसे.
Finally, you realize it.
इतनी लंबी स्पीच दी, ताली तो बजा दे. कुछ तो बोल नैना.
Oh my god, I'm so happy that they worked it out.
शिट बेबी, तुम्हारा फोन दो. मेरी बैटरी डेड है.
She'll be so happy for them if she knew.
Aditi, and I'm not available right now, so leave me a message.
हेलो
क्या बे बेवड़े? कहाँ पी के बैठा है?
पानी कुत्ते कहाँ है तू?
अरे क्या
Oh.
बताऊं?
He's gonna be so happy for them.
Hey, where are you?
भाई बहुत लंबी
Yeah,
कहानी है.
he thought that he traveled,
साथ
that
है
he
तू?
went to Paris.
बताती हूँ.
ए तेरे पीछे वो आइटम कौन है?
अपनी चश्मिश.
बनी,
अदिति
अभी रुक, स्पीकर फोन लगा रहा, रुक. अभी आदि से बात कर.
अदिति
They can all hear each other.
यार मैं कब से तुम्हें फोन कर
Yeah,
रहा
that's better.
यार कहाँ है तू? मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
हूँ यार. मैं तो बाहर में हूँ अदिति, मुझे भी कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा यार.
शुश guys.
ओ
Yeah.
नैना ओ नैना.
Oh my God. Okay. बनी, तुम दोनों कहाँ हो?
मेरे घर.
साले पानी मतलब तू यही है?
They're gonna
Oh
go
my God, मुझे
back.
पता था. तुम दोनों का सीन चल रहा था. अरे ड्रामे बाज हरामी, मुझे
She gonna still go on her honeymoon, or is she too excited to be with them and congratulate them and live these moments with them? It truly feels unbelievable. And so sudden.
I love you Aditi.
And they didn't know what was happening between them, so this is even more sudden to them.
Happy New Year guys. Let's all have a great year यार.
I want to know to start the new year with. Oh, this is so uplifting. I love happy endings. Scene. So yeah, that was Ye Joani Hey Divani, and I liked it. Yeah, especially the ending. It was like granted, the story is not something very new, but I love that it wasn't so predictable. Like towards the last part of the film, I wasn't sure how are they gonna end it. Is it just gonna be, well, it is what it is, and some things that are just, they just can't be helped, and you can't change who you are. And if you force yourself to do something just because you don't want to lose the other thing, but you're not really over that something, it's gonna lead to regret and resentment, like at you, not necessarily on the other person, but at yourself, and you're not gonna be happy. And maybe it's just something you want right now, but after a while you start craving that desire, that dream that you had for so many years, maybe like since your childhood. So it is a tricky situation, and it can go either way, and only the person himself or herself can really determine or say, yeah, I for sure feel the change inside me, and I'm not that person anymore. I realize that there is something more to life, and I realize that I want this more than I ever wanted. I thought that this is all I ever wanted. This is the dream. This is the only way that I'll be happy. But now I realize that there is something more, and the thing that will truly make me happy was right beside me the whole time, but I was too blind to see it. So yeah, and the important thing is in this case is to be true to yourself and not to lie yourself just because you don't want to lose something right now, and you have to be sure, because it's not only your happiness in your life on the line, it's the other person too, and you want to be fair to them. Like marriage is something that you invest your heart in when you do it for the right reasons. You invest years of your life. I don't think that there is anyone who is getting married thinking, well, I'm just doing this temporarily and it's just gonna be a few years, unless they're doing it for a specific goal that is not really about love or about living life together and create a family and be there for each other and have all the wonderful positive things that come with marriage and love and that fulfillment. It's not something to be taken lightly, and your heart is precious, and you're putting it on the line basically. So I love that they took this seriously and they really thought about it, even though when they had that scene when he finally realized, especially when he thought that he was going to lose her, what she meant to him. And he even had that nudge that made him realize it earlier when Aditi was talking to him and she's explaining what Taran makes. The more time she spends with him, she feels better, and she really truly believes that she's going to be happy, and she feels better when she spends time. He immediately had that realization, wait a minute, I feel the same like almost every time when I spend time with Naina. But again, he didn't rush into action on an impulse. He took his time, because it's something that has taken roots inside you so deep when you have a dream that you dreamed for so long. And yes, sometimes you come to a realization that you never anticipated, and you believe that all your life thought that this is the thing that I want, this is what's going to make me happy. But when it's conflicted with the other thing that I discovered that I really want, that I really crave, and it really makes me happy and makes me feel good, and I feel different, and just by being with that person makes me open up when I don't do that with anybody else. So that's alone a sign that being with that someone is really something healthy and positive and brings out the best in me and makes me want to express myself, makes me want to be authentic. It makes it more important to me to say what I truly feel, and you only share your experiences with someone who you trust, especially the intimate, private ones. So for him to have that, and when it was like more gratifying and more forthcoming, the fact that he's like being himself with her than just like being flippant or flirtatious like he always was, or like not taking anything seriously and not wanting anything that is serious or any kind of commitment. He just wants to fly everywhere, he wants to experience life, he wants to experience every country, he wants to live like a nomad. That all gradually ceased to matter when, on the other hand, it was like making him lose something that is far more precious as he came to realize more and more. So I love that so much. I love that they didn't rush that. I love that they didn't have him have this like miraculous change, and just because she said that, he's like, no, I'm not gonna, I don't want that life anymore. That's not my dream anymore. I fell in love with you, and now all I want to do is like be with you, and I'm ready to give up all that I ever dreamed of. No, that they made it the way it's supposed to be, the way that it's realistic, the way that it's I don't think realistic is the right word, the way that you can trust that this is something that is genuine and easy. So anyway, to not go on a rant, I love this film. I love the songs. I love the relationships the most, the friendship, the deep, genuine, precious kind of friendship that you don't find often, that they all shared equally, those four friends, and how much they cared for each other, and the way that they emotionally supported each other, the relationship between father and son, that with Bunny and his father, that was such a beautiful friendship too, because unfortunately not all fathers or parents are understanding, supportive, or respectful of their children's individuality and dreams and their right to go after their dreams. And I love that they focused on the fact that, yeah, you should pursue your dreams, you should be focused, you should be driven, you should be working hard, but you should never forget to enjoy the moment, enjoy the little things, like smell the fresh air, just be present at the moment instead of thinking the whole time about the past or the future, which is something I think maybe all of us are guilty of and we need to be reminded of. So I love that as well. Definitely a feel-good film, good performances from Deepika and Ranbir, as to be expected. And the other characters and other actors were good as well. Kalki and Aditya were good. There was like a good chemistry with all of them. You really believe that they are these close friends. Yeah, so definitely a film that I'm glad that I watched. I thank you so much again for recommending it. I hope you really enjoyed this watch along. Don't forget to like and comment and let me know what did you think about. Feel free to recommend any movie that you think I should be watching. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for being with me, dear friends. Hope to see you again very soon. And enjoy your life. Enjoy every moment of it as much as you can. And whenever any dark moment happens, just remember, it's just a bad phase. Everything will be okay.